Oh, Sister Juliet and Brother Nick, let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious. And rot.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart. And let my music guide you. Into the world of everlasting peace. And rot. And hell. Flow on, child, into the rush of chaos and dark.
Watch out!
Oh,
Be careful, Juliet! Be careful, Juliet! Oh, this bitch is stinky! Watch out! Watch out! Be careful, Juliet! Big shot!
Hear the thunder and rage of the people. Piss on the graves of the fallen warriors and praise of just soul guns. One truth becomes two truths become
There's like 4 of her. Is this for real? What the hell?
five blaster. Accept your life.
Chainsaw blaster. Now it's
Accept your life.
Oh, man. Oh, this bitch is stinky.
Chaos.
Oh, man.
Chainsaw blaster.
Be careful, Juliet.
Chainsaw blaster.
Kill that trippy bitch.
Chainsaw blaster.
Watch out! Oh, man.
Chainsaw blaster.
Watch out! Oh, this bitch is stinky. Be careful, Juliet.
Now it's mine. Chainsaw blaster.
Oh, man.
Chainsaw blaster.
Be careful, Juliet.
Accept your flight. Fish, pride, prayer, freedom, military,
Pretty cool.
despair, chaos.
What's that then?
One truth become two truths become see the truth before your eyes. The gates to the abyss shall open.
Can I go home now?
Now it's time. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
Right.
Macrame her stupid guts!
Chainsaw Blaster. What's this? Chainsaw Blaster.
This bitch is stinky!
Blaster. Pretty cool. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster. What is this then? Blaster.
This bitch is stinky! Oh my god! Macrame her stupid guts!
Chainsaw Blaster! Chainsaw Blaster! Now it's mine. Blaster!
Vibrantly.
Chainsaw Blaster!
Her personality irks the hell out of me!
A trillion butterflies dance, engulfing the world in their fluttering wings, eating away at our souls.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin-munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out. Speak to reggae from the barrio cohabito.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Well?
I'm loving it!
Please